The secret of success. This might be the most important thing you hear today. Have you ever looked at successful people and wondered, what is their secret? Why do some people achieve everything they dream of, while others struggle for years? Is it talent? No. Is it money? No. Is it luck? Definitely not. There's one secret that all successful people know. And today, I will reveal it to you. But here is the best part. You will not just learn the secret of success. You will also improve your English as we go. In this lesson, you will hear new words, phrases, and sentences that will help you speak English with confidence. And by the end of this video, you will not only understand success, you will also be one step closer to mastering English. Are you ready? Let us begin. The biggest lie about success. Most people believe success is about being smart or having connections. But here is the truth. Successful people think differently. Look at Thomas Edison. He failed over 10,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Most people would have given up, but he did not. Why? Because he understood the real secret of success. Success is not about how many times you fail. It is about how many times you try again. Imagine this. What if your biggest failure is actually your first step to success? Think about it. Now, let me give you a new English phrase. To turn failure into success. Repeat after me. To turn failure into success. This means learning from your mistakes and using them to grow stronger. Now, let us move to the next big lesson. The one habit that changes everything. There is one habit that separates successful people from everyone else. It is not hard work. It is not intelligence. It is consistency. Let me tell you a story. There was a man who wanted to be a writer. Every day, he wrote 1 page. Just one. At first, nobody noticed him. But after 3 years, he had written a book. That book became a bestseller. Now, imagine if he had quit after 1 month. Would he have been successful? Success is not about doing something big once. It is about doing small things every single day. And here is a powerful English phrase. Slow and steady wins the race. This means consistency is more important than speed. Now, repeat after me. Slow and steady wins the race. Great. Now, let us move to the next secret of success. The hidden power of failure. Most people fear failure. But let me ask you this. What if failure is actually the key to success? There is a powerful Japanese saying, fall 7 times, stand up 8. Think about the most successful people in history. Oprah Winfrey was fired from her first TV job. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. J.K. Rowling was rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter became a worldwide success. What if they had given up? Here is what you need to remember. Every failure is just a lesson. Every mistake makes you stronger. And here is an important English lesson. We do not say, I failed. Instead, we say, I learned something new. Try it now. Repeat after me. I did not fail. I learned something new. Now, let us discover the next secret to success. The power of mindset. Here is a question. What do all successful people have in common? They have a growth mindset. This means they believe that their abilities can improve with effort and learning. Let me give you an example. There were two students in a class. One said, "I cannot do this. It is too hard." The other said, "I cannot do this." Yet, the second student kept trying, kept learning, and eventually succeeded. Now, let me teach you a powerful English phrase. Practice makes perfect. Repeat after me. Practice makes perfect. This means the more you practice, the better you become. And that is exactly why you are here. Because you are improving your English, while learning the secrets of success, the power of learning. Now, let me tell you the final secret. The most successful people in the world have one thing in common. They never stop learning. Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, they all spend hours every day learning. And do you know what is the most powerful skill you can learn today? English. Why? Because English is the language of business, technology, and global success. If you speak English well, you can 1. Get better job opportunities. 2. Travel the world with confidence. 3. Connect with successful people everywhere. So, here is a new English phrase. Knowledge is power. Repeat after me. Knowledge is power. Now, let me ask you, are you ready to keep learning? Your challenge for success. Before you go, I have a challenge for you. Write one goal in the comments. Something small that you will do every day to get closer to success. It can be 1. Learning one new English word every day. 2. Reading one page of a book daily. 3. Practicing English speaking for 5 minutes. Remember, small actions create big results. And if you want more powerful lessons like this, make sure to subscribe. Because in my next video, I will teach you another powerful secret. Before you go, tell me in the comments, what is the biggest lesson you learned from this video? And remember, success is not about luck. It is about learning, growing, and never giving up. See you in the next lesson.